shot. We have a spa treat. This is what's on the menu, and this is the special guest. Here's a rabbit.
But, oh yeah, by the way, my name is Larry.
Oh, Larry! Thank you.
Just kidding, my name is Layton.
What's stuff in your pockets, bro?
Josie, this is gonna be a long night. So you want a sleeping bag, anyone?
Ooh, way to go. That's sneaky.
Any of you?
Yeah, sure. I'd love an adventure sleeping bag.
Finally, someone.
Why? Thank you for this. This is great. Put my little feet.
This is a meeting.
Alright, good.
What? Oh yeah. Sorry. What would you like for a drink? Oh yeah, whoops. I'll be right back. Here you go. Oh, let me get a joke book out.
Of your butt?
Out of there. Wait, gotta dig in there a little bit.
Are you rocky with your hat bent like that?
What do you mean?
Say hey, Polly.
The body. Look.
Who's there?
Cargo.
Kyle who?
Cargo beep beep.
Lane, you know what? Stop. Do something else.
Yes! Woo! Please leave me alone, Ian. That's overboard.
Sorry. All right
Crossing
now.
the line.
Come on.
Come here.
Have you guys ever went to the forest and found Bigfoot
Hi, Bigfoot.
Is it you?
and smaller foot? Still good. It's for both of you to share because I didn't feel like making two. Knock knock.
Oh, that's very okay.
Knock knock.
Ooh, I'm gonna go with some chocolate cow's milk.
Or
Milk or normal?
Regular milk.
Regular milk?
Cow's milk.
He said chocolate cow milk.
Okay.
Just ice water for me, please.
You're small.
I want Layton. I'm the waiter.
Adam. I got this. I could be in a bad mood. Show Dad, I got 6. I'm tough. He's been grumpy all morning. He's out here sweating. We don't have showers. I'm working slow, working smart. I'm not sweating. I take 4. He scoffs at me, so he lugs these things over for no reason, and then overfills the wheelbarrow. Can't get it over the fridge. And so now he can't stop laughing even though he's grumpy. Oh, so yeah! Man strength! Man strength! That boy's strong. Run for anywhere from 3 to 6 hours. Just flip this on. We are in life. Kids are big enough to just go places without us. Pretty decent view. Oof. Then there's that. Oh. And there's the rest of Belize. Rick did an awesome job. This place is gorgeous.
Oh, I just forgot the money. Do you think these jeans make me look good? Okay, what about this shirt? I mean, I think it looks good. You guys like it? You guys like it?
Oh, great. Great.
Who is that?
Zoe, me?
Hey,
Oh, Lena. Oh, I thought you meant he was in me. Dario? Who is that? How is that me? I don't do that.
Everyone here is 100.
Okay, tell mommy one more time. Who is that? Who's in that picture?
Nina.
And who's that?
Nino.
Boom kisses.
Mom.
Right then and there. Oh, sailing sky made a perfect sunset.
And that's a day I'll never forget. I had a barbecue stain on my white t-shirt. She was killing me in that miniskirt. Skipping rocks on the river by the railroad tracks. She had a barbecue stain on my white t-shirt. She was killing me in that miniskirt. Skipping rocks on the river by the railroad tracks.
I can't. Shining.
My stuff is so shiny. Send your armies, but they'll never be enough. My shell's too tough. My wet hand.
You can shout, shout, shout.
But you can't expect a tiny dog to be the take apart.
You can shout, shout.
I know you want me. I know you care. So shall we never? And I'll be there. You are my love. You are my home. You'll never, ever, ever be apart. Just friends.
You gotta sing, boy.
First time, and I was like, baby, 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 ooh, baby, 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 ooh, baby, 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 ooh. But you'd always be mine. I wanna do whatever, and I just can't believe we're here together. I don't wanna play cool, 'cause I'm losing you. I'll buy you anything, I'll buy you anything. Down, down, down. And I just can't believe my first love was here running. I'm like, baby, 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 no. Baby, 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 no.
I love the wings.
But you'd always be mine. Baby, 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 no. Let's go on the playground, but I really want to see you on the weekend.
She knows she got me dazing.
She was
Y'all have to
so
come
late,
correct.
and now my heart
We'll do
is
it.
breaking.
Come
But I
correct.
just keep on saying, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh.
I mean,
She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends, but you know, who understands those rap guys?
Here we go.
They only talk to her because she looks like a total prostitute. Okay? I mean, her butt, it's just so big. I can't believe it's just so round. It's like out there. I mean, gross. She's just so
When a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. Wanna put up stuff?
you notice that glow and stuff?
I'm so pretty. I'm too high. I can't. I'm you smell fire, baby. I'm too high.
Let's go, Eden! There you go!
Keep her away from Irma. Oh, Eden, you gotta tackle her. Wow.
Kitchen? Oh, are you doing the, did you see this? Look, did you look at the second one?
Let's get an interview. How do you feel? You're only 16 once. You only get homecoming once your first time.
He was thinking when homecoming last year.
I feel a little bit nervous, but
I can see that because you're dressed 2 hours early.
Show him the roses.
What else you got?
you got checked.
Nice.
And a Beauty and the Beast. For his girls.
The operator has served Central Florida since 1987. Why trust your insurance needs to a 1-800 number when you can be protected by family? That's the Giella family right here. Aww.
Dude, right now? Beautiful. Can you see them?
No.
Can't see your freckles?
Yeah, I can't. All I can see is the top of the house.
Look at your nose.
Hello. Hey, Buster Brown. Oh, hello. Luna Tuna Bear. Luna Tuna Bear.
Now late start. Well played.
Don't lose time at the end. Run right past the line. Keep going, keep going. Come on, run, run, run. Push, push, push. Run, run, run.
Faster.
Keep it around.
Go. Go, buddy, go. Fast, fast, fast.